Namaste, I'm Dr. Nikhita. I'm an Ayurvedic doctor and a well-being practitioner. I have consulted various women for their skincare concerns and recommended Ayurvedic solutions. In today's video, I would like to share about the harmful effects of stress on the skin and the Ayurvedic herbs which help to relax and rejuvenate the skin. So first, let us understand what is stress and how does it affect our skin. Stress is dependent on both factors, extrinsic or intrinsic, which causes an alteration in the normal functioning of the body. As we all know that our body is undergoing an oxidation process every single day. If we do not take adequate measures, it leads to degenerative changes gradually in our body. The same way, when we consider the skin in particular, the stress leads to acceleration in the oxidation process in our skin, which leads to early signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, lack of elasticity, and hyperpigmentation. The exact metabolic process takes place in the two layers of the skin, the epidermis and dermis, which is connected by the basal lamina. Due to a shift in our dietary patterns and lifestyle, we have begun to experience early changes in our skin. Even day-to-day factors such as traffic, disturbance in the neighborhood, delay at work, weather woes, etc. contribute to accelerating the stress in our skin. In order to prevent this, we must incorporate a skincare regime which specifically addresses these concerns. Varaveda has incorporated Ayurvedic herbs which de-stress the skin and replenish the skin with nutrition. This in turn helps to repair the skin from the oxidative stress. Varaveda's Punarjan range has natural oat kernel extract which is clinically proven to rejuvenate and nourish the skin from the harmful effects of stress. The active component in the natural oat kernel extract is oat protein, which helps in relieving the dryness and repairs the skin. It also contains aloe vera, which is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which repairs and moisturizes the skin. It has chamomile, which is antiseptic and anti-inflammatory in nature. It is extremely soothing for the skin. It also has sandalwood, which is a heat-relieving herb in Ayurveda. It has cooling and calming properties which releases the stress in the skin. A combination of all these herbs is present in Varaveda's Punarjan range. You can easily incorporate this into your skincare regime in just 2 simple steps. The Varaveda's Punarjan range has a face cleanser that is paraben, sulfate and toxin free. This is to be followed up with the day cream, which is SPF 30, which helps in moisturizing and protects the skin from UV rays as well as the harmful effects of stress. At night, repeat with the same cleanser followed by the night cream, which helps in repairing and rejuvenating the skin as the body is at rest. It also has a weekly regime which contains 2 steps. First step is the face scrub, which helps in gently exfoliating the dead skin cells, which helps in revealing the fresh and healthy skin. It is to be followed up by using the hydrogel face mask, which is highly hydrating and rejuvenates the skin. Let us de-stress our skin and work towards younger looking skin with Varaveda's Punarjan skincare range.